we are back to our decimal checkerboard mat, and I'm going to now show you how to do a 2-digit decimal by a 2-digit whole number, a multiplication problem between a 2-digit decimal by a 2-digit whole number. And here is the problem we're going to do, 32 hundredths times 46. So I'm going to get my multiplicand numerals, 32 hundredths, and I'm going to show you that I can put them either right here, or we could move them 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 here. It really doesn't matter. I think I'll go ahead and just multiply them right here. So there's 32 hundredths, and we're going to multiply them by 46. 46 is a whole number. So we'll go right here. Okay? 46. So first of all, we look at this numeral and we see this is the type of bead we want to get. So we want a 2 bead, don't we? That 2 bead, we need 6 of them. So I'm going to get 5 more. And now we have 6 2 beads. Now we need a 3 bead. And we need 6 of those as well. This tells us we need 6 of them. So here are 6. So here's our 3 bead, 6 times. It's in the tenths place, so it's really our 3/10 of a bead. Here's 3/10, here's 3/10, here's 3/10, and we need them 6 times. Now, we still need 2 beads, but we need them 4 times. So here is my 2 bead, once, twice, 4. There we have 4. And then we need our 3 bead 4 times in the next one. Okay, so here's where I like to stop and do my exchanging before we slide down. Okay, so I know that 2 times 6, well, that's easy. I know my doubles. 6 and 6 is 12. So I know 2 times 6 is 12. So I'm going to get a 1 bead and a 2 bead, because we know that you can't have 10 in any place value. So we have to exchange the 10 that would go here for a 1 that would go there. Now I have 3 times 6, and since I know my multiples of 3, that tells me it's 18, plus 1 is 19. So I'm going to go ahead and exchange for 19. I'm going to get my 1 bead to go into the next column because I exchanged the 10, right? Just want to make sure you know. 19 is that, but I can't have 10, so I exchange this for that. And now we have 2 times 4. Well, 2 times 4 is easy. We know our doubles. That's 8. And now we have 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. So now here is 12, because I'm going to put this over there. Now is when we are going to do our slide down to find our final product. This is a partial product and this is a partial product, but we're not worrying about them right now. We're just going to add up the answer. So this 2 slides all the way down. This 8 and this 9 slide all the way down. This 2 and this 1 slide all the way down. And I bring this 1 down here. All right, now I do need to do exchanging again because we want to end up with 1 bead in each square. This is already done. Now I have 9 plus 8. Well, 9 plus 8 If you know your doubles, then you know 8 plus 8 is 16, and you know 9 plus 9 is 18. So if it's 9 plus 8, it's going to be 17. Okay. Can we have 10s in any place value? No. So we exchange for 1. 2 plus 2, because these two join together to make 2, is 4. Now we have our final product. 14 and 72 hundredths. Do you see why it's 14? It's a 10 and a 4. 1 10 and 1 4. Well, a 10 and a 4 makes 14. And then the decimal point is here. So then you say 72 hundredths. And that's how we do that.